Hello everyone, welcome to For Nurses Preparation YouTube channel. I am Ritu. Let's start most important or most frequently asked nursing MCQs. Question number 1 is, which lotion is used for the treatment of scabies? Your options are A. Benzyl benzoate 15%, B. Benzyl benzoate 20%, C. Permethrin 5% or D. Permethrin 30%. Correct option is option number C, that is permethrin 5%. Permethrin 5% is the drug of choice for the treatment of scabies. Next question is, the advantage of breastfeeding includes the following except. Your options are A. Promotion of GI function, B. Fostering immune defense, C. Nutritional imbalance, or D. Economics advantage. Correct option is option number C, that is nutritional imbalance. Next question is, which statement by a client with type 2 diabetes indicates to the nurse that additional teaching about the diet is needed? Your options are, first, I can eat as much dietetic fruit as I want. Second, I can have a lettuce salad whenever I want it. Option third, I know that half of my diet should be carbohydrates. Option number 4, I need to reduce the amounts of saturated fats in my diet. Correct option is option number first, that is I can eat as much dietetic fruit as I want. The client needs further teaching, that is dietetic fruit is not sugar free and must be calculated in the diet of an individual with diabetes. According to the option number second, lettuce, that is salad, is considered a free food in the diet of a person with the diabetes. According to the option number third, it is suggested that the caloric intake of a person with diabetes should be 50% carbohydrate, 20% protein and 30% fat. Saturated fats should be limited to 10% of the fat intake. 90% of the fat should be unsaturated fat. Next question is, which layer of the artery contains smooth muscles? Your options are A. Tunica interna, B. Tunica media, C. Tunica alba, or D. Tunica externa. Correct option is option number B, that is tunica media. The wall of artery has three coats. First, tunica interna, which is innermost layer made up of endothelium. Second is tunica media, which is middle layer made up of the smooth muscles and elastic fibers. Third layer is tunica externa or adventitia, made up of outermost layer made by the connective tissue. Next question is, a woman in labor is known as. Your options are A. Gravida, B. Parturiente, C. Para, or D. Puerpera. Correct option is option number B, that is parturiente. Next question is, 6 hours after birth, the infant is found to have an area of swelling over the right parietal area that does not cross the suture line. The nurse should chart this finding as. Your options are A. Cephalohematoma, B. Molding, C. Subdural hematoma, or D. Caput cicadum. Correct option is option number A, that is cephalohematoma. Swelling over the right parietal area is the cephalohematoma, an area of bleeding outside the cranium. This type of hematoma does not cross the suture line because it is outside the cranium but beneath the peristernum. Molding is overlapping of the bones of the cranium and thus it is an incorrect option. A subdural hematoma or the intracranial bleeding is ominous and can be seen only on a CAT scan or X-ray. A caput cicadum crosses the suture line and it is edema. Next question is, in which year India was declared polio free? Your options are A. 2011, B. 2012, C. 2013, or D. 2014. Correct option is option number D, that is 2014. After the last wild polio case was reported from India on 13 January 2011, India is firmly on track for polio-free certification in March 2014. Next question is, sympathetic blocking agents may be used during a hypertensive emergency. These drugs work by. Your options are A. Decreasing the activity of sympathetic nervous system, B. Increasing the activity of sympathetic nervous system, C. Vasoconstriction the atriolar bed, or D. None of these. Correct option is option number A, that is decreasing the activity of sympathetic nervous system. Systolic BP more than 180 or diastolic more than 120 mm of Hg with evidence of active and organ damage is called hypertensive emergency. Sympatholic agent means the drug that interferes with impulses from sympathetic nervous systems. Next question is, cancer of cervix is caused by. Your options are A. Rotavirus, B. Human papilloma virus, C. Coronavirus, or D. HIV. Correct option is option number B, that is human papilloma virus. Next question is, the nurse is performing an assessment on a client with possible pernicious anemia. Which data would support this diagnosis? Your options are A. A weight loss of 10 pounds in 2 weeks. B. Complaint of numbness and tingling in the extremities. C. A red beefy tongue. D. Hemoglobin level of 12.0 gram per dl. Correct option is option number C, that is a red beefy tongue. Question number 11th is, another name of serum hepatitis is. Your options are A. Hepatitis A, B. Hepatitis B, option number C. hepatitis C, or option number D, hepatitis E? Correct option is option number B, that is hepatitis B. Hepatitis B, also known as serum hepatitis, whereas hepatitis A is also known as infectious hepatitis. Hepatitis C is also known as post-transfusion hepatitis. Hey guys, still here? If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Question number 12 is, how many calories per day preschoolers need? Your options are A, 1200 to 1400, B, 1000 to 1400, C, 1400 to 1600, or D, 1600 to 1800. Correct option is option number C, that is 1400 to 1600 calories per day of preschoolers needs. Question number 13 is, which of the following is not a risk factor for hypertension? Your options are A, genetics, B, obesity, C, youth, or D, smoking. Correct option is option number C, that is youth. Risk factor for primary hypertension, that is idiopathic hypertension, are old age, obesity, smoking, genetic, alcohol consumption, and sedentary lifestyle. High intake of sodium and saturated fatty acids and stress. Question number 14 is, a client asked the nurse how long she has to take her medicine for hypothyroidism. The nurse's response is based on the knowledge that your options are: first, lifelong daily medicine is necessary. Second, the medication can be gradually withdrawn in 1 to 2 years. Third, the medication can be discontinued after the client's thyroid stimulating hormone level is normal. Correct option is option number 1, that is lifelong daily medicine is necessary. Thyroid replacement is a lifelong maintenance therapy. The medication is usually given as one dose in the morning. It cannot be tapered or discontinued because the client needs thyroid supplementation to maintain health. The medication cannot be discontinued after the thyroid stimulating hormone, that is TSH, level is normal. The dose will be maintained at the level that normalizes the TSH concentration. Next question is, severe asphyxia is indicated by an Apgar score of. Your options are A, 7 to 9, B, 3 to 5, C, 0 to 3, or D, 5 to 7. Correct option is option number C, that is 0 to 3. Next question is, the nurse is preparing a client for a surgery. Which item is the most important to remove before sending the client to the surgery? Your options are A, hearing aids, B, contact lenses, C, wedding ring, or D, artificial eye. Correct option is option number B, that is contact lenses. It is important to remove the contact lenses because leaving them in can lead to corneal drying, particularly with contact lenses that are not extended wear lenses. Leaving in the hearing aid or artificial eye will not harm the client. Leaving the wedding ring on is also allowed. Usually the ring is covered with tape. Question number 17 is, what recommendation is a nurse give to a 55-year-old patient with blood pressure of 150 by 90 mm of Hg? Your options are A. It is normal BP for your age. B. Recheck your BP 2 weeks later. C. Recheck your BP after 6 months. Or D. Recheck your BP after 1 year. Correct option is option number B, that is recheck your BP 2 weeks later. That's all for this video. If you wanna join us on other social media platform, the link is provided below. You can join us there for daily nursing content. Thank you for watching this entire video. If you like it, hit the like button, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.